Hi, my name is Mike Slack. I'm the Vice President for Sales and Marketing at Avio Consulting. Today, I'm here with our company president, Brandon Dean, and we're going to be talking about accelerating digital evolution using tools like MuleSoft and others, what that means and what it means for you at your business. So, Brandon, thanks so much for joining us. Who should be listening to this talk today?
In terms of who we're most often having these conversations with, it's typically someone who has purchased or is considering MuleSoft and wants to understand how the platform can enable a digital evolution initiative within their organization. So at times it's been an executive like a VP of Digital Innovation. Other times it's been the Director of Application Development within the core IT function, but really it's just anyone who wants to deliver better and faster results for their business partners. It's top of mind for many executives as they're trying to remain a step ahead of their competitors.
Got it. So we've used this phrase digital evolution a couple times now. What does that mean, high level?
Fundamentally, it's about creating an organizational mindset that's focused on constant adaptation to support increased velocity in organizational change. So specifically from our standpoint, it's about creating an ecosystem of IT capabilities, both technically and functionally, that enable business functions to innovate at an increasingly accelerating pace of change.
Got it. And digital evolution seems to be contrasting digital transformation, which is a term that a lot of folks use all the time in the marketplace. How are these two things different?
So for me, a transformation implies that there's a specific end goal in mind. There's going to be a lot of organizational changes that need to happen when becoming more digitally proficient. A majority of those changes, however, don't have a finish line when you say, we're done transforming. So for example, if you're looking at improving customer experience and you're trying to decrease the friction and when a customer engages with you, it's not going to be a one-time thing and say, okay, we're now done. It requires focus on a constantly changing set of customer expectations in order to meet or ideally stay ahead of customer demands and needs. So there's never going to be an end goal in mind versus transformations, kind of like a tadpole becoming a frog is a traditional transformation. It's got a beginning and it's got an end, but that doesn't really work within the context of an organization because economic environments never stop moving and changing. Customer demands are going to continue to shift, and new entrants are going to eat up market share, and there'll even be new operating models that show up, just like Airbnb and Uber have shown. So it's the organizations that can evolve consistently and quickly are going to have the highest probability of not only surviving, but of thriving as well.
So it kind of sounds like this isn't just about digital evolution, isn't just about technology, but it's also quite a bit about mindset.
Now, a lot of it's going to be about mindset and especially in the context of how to apply new technology. So we want our clients to really embrace a digital evolution as a constant focus on change and not be afraid of that change, but rather to embrace it. And we really think that a continuous approach towards learning new applications, new concepts, new tools, new processes, those are all going to be key to establishing a culture that's more comfortable with digital evolution and not be as resistant to change.
Got it. So how does Avio's MuleSoft practice play into digital evolution initiatives?
MuleSoft is a critical role in helping our clients evolve. A key component of digital evolution is unlocking the data that's contained within the multitude of various IT assets that organizations have. They've got their own cloud apps, they've got SaaS apps, they've got legacy on-prem apps. So unlocking that data is critical, and once that data is unlocked, it can then be leveraged in new and different ways. And we're in a data-driven economy, and Avio is really helping IT organizations evolve from a traditional development philosophy where IT has to develop everything to a data access philosophy. And MuleSoft really provides our clients with the ability to decrease the amount of time and the traditional friction in accessing that ever-growing amount of corporate data. So fundamentally, leveraging a solid MuleSoft strategy is going to improve access to data, which in turn allows our clients to make better, faster decisions and support that constant change and constant organizational evolution.
Well, you mentioned clients. Are there any examples from your clients, obvious clients, that illustrate this digital evolution in particular that's accelerated through use of MuleSoft?
We're really fortunate at Avio in that we don't focus on any one particular vertical. And the nice thing is, it's because every organization is undergoing some sort of disruption and change in the market. But if we look at, we have a legacy advertising client, and they're using MuleSoft to create APIs to create new revenue models around programmatic advertising. We've got another client who's in the building materials space, which are not traditionally digitally proficient, or even they're historically digital laggards, but they're becoming much more digitally proficient by leveraging MuleSoft to build APIs in order to provide multi-channel ordering, real-time delivery notifications, imaging of the delivery. So they're now competing with the likes of client expectations around from what those clients see on Amazon. They're expecting that now from a business standpoint as well. So they're having to become more digitally proficient to deliver on those customer expectations.
Sounds like what you said a minute ago about unlocking data is a key step of digital proficiency and digital evolution. It sounds like MuleSoft is really helping these clients do that. Are there other specialties or practice areas of Avio that play a role in digital evolution?
So the MuleSoft aspect is one of kind of three key areas that we focus on as we're helping organizations really evolve to a more digitally proficient capability. So having access to data is one key component to digital evolution, but organizations then need to be able to leverage that data and rapidly create fit for purpose applications. And we use Appian in order to help our clients use the Appian's low-code platform to develop those applications. On the other side, organizations are evolving and leveraging more and more cloud infrastructure. We've got clients that use Azure, we've got clients that use AWS, and we're really helping them become more proficient in leveraging those tools by helping them build infrastructure as code capabilities, as well as helping them increase their cybersecurity through secrets management, both through our partnership with HashiCorp.
Awesome. Well, appreciate you sharing that, Brandon. So last thing, going to ask, if there's one thing you'd like someone to remember after watching this video, what do you think that one thing would be?
The one thing would be that technical capabilities are critically important to supporting an organization's digital evolution, but they need to be applied with a mindset not focused on implementation being beginning and then an end, but rather embracing a journey of continuous learning and an overall improvement.
Got it. Well, Brandon, thank you so much for your time and sharing that with us. For anyone who may be watching, if you'd like to learn more about Avio Consulting and our services, the best way to do that is through visiting our website and contacting us there at avioconsulting.com. Thanks a lot.